Hey there, travel enthusiasts. Are you ready to unlock the secrets to epic travel adventures? Buckle up because I'm about to take you on a journey that will change the way you see the world. First things first, let's talk about spontaneity. Some of the best travel moments happen when you least expect them. So, ditch that rigid itinerary and leave room for adventure. Trust me, exploring those hidden alleyways and chatting with locals can lead to unforgettable experiences. Now let's dive into packing. Rule number 1, pack light. You don't need your entire wardrobe for a week-long trip. Just the essentials, folks. And always bring a versatile scarf or shawl. It's your ultimate travel buddy, a blanket, pillow, and fashion accessory rolled into one. And speaking of essentials, don't forget your travel insurance. Yeah, it's not glamorous, but it's a lifesaver when things go south. Think of it as your safety net, allowing you to take on adventures without the worry. Next up, let's chat about food. One of the best ways to experience a new culture is through its cuisine. So, be bold and try the local dishes. Street food is often where you'll find the most authentic flavors. And hey, don't be afraid to ask locals for their recommendations. Trust me, they know the hidden gems. Alright, let's talk about capturing memories. While it's tempting to document every single moment, sometimes it's better to put the camera down and just be in the moment. But when you do snap those pics, make sure they tell a story. Capture the essence of the place, the people, the vibe, not just the touristy landmarks. And here's a golden tip, learn a few phrases in the local language. A simple thank you or hello goes a long way in breaking the ice and showing respect. Plus, it makes your interactions more authentic and meaningful. Now, let's talk about mindset. Embrace the unexpected. Flights get delayed, plans change, and that's okay. The magic of travel lies in its unpredictability. Stay open-minded, go with the flow, and enjoy the ride. Finally, be a responsible traveler. Respect local customs and environments. Leave no trace and always give back to the communities you visit. Traveling is a privilege, so let's make sure we're doing our part to preserve the beauty of our planet. So, there you have it. The secrets to unlocking epic travel adventures. Get out there, explore, and make memories that'll last a lifetime. Safe travels, and until next time, happy adventuring.